Let's start reading. Did you know? The EEIC was first known as the Company of Merchants of London trading with the East Indies. Children, English East India Company was first known as the Company of Merchants of London trading with the East Indies. Understood, children? Okay, now all of you put finger again in your book. Wars fought to gain control of India. Numerous wars were fought by the Britishers to gain control of India. After setting up factories, the next aim of the British was to gain complete control over trade by annexing more territories in India. Annexing to take control of a region, of a kingdom or a country by force, forcibly. Children, earlier in the beginning, Britishers only came in our country for a business purpose because India was rich in cotton, silk, indigo, and spices, salt, etc. So their main purpose in the beginning was only trade. But afterward they started controlling our country. Okay. To achieve this, the British fought numerous wars to gain their aim to take control over our country. They fought so many wars. Some wars were fought against their European rivals in India, such as the French, Dutch, and Portuguese trading companies. Children, Britishers fought so many wars to gain control of our country. Children, before Britishers, French, Portuguese, these countries also came to our country. But Britishers were stronger, so they defeated these countries also. Other wars were fought against the rulers of small kingdoms in different parts of India. Children, see this. Britishers fought war to French, Portuguese also, and they defeated these countries, and they fought. Children, they fought against Mughal Empire also, like Bengal, Awadh, Mysore, and they strengthened their hold in the country by defeating these small kingdoms. The Carnatic Wars. What is Carnatic Wars, children? The Carnatic Wars refers to a series of military conflicts between the British East India Company and French East India Company, along with the role played by the Nawab of Carnatic and the Nizam of Hyderabad. 3 wars were fought between 1745 and 1763. The immediate result of these wars was the struggle for power in India between the French and the British was over. The French influence was doomed forever, and British were able to consolidate their foothold in India. Children, Carnatic War was a series of 3 wars and which were fought between 1745 to 1763. And what was the result of this Carnatic War? The immediate result of this war was the struggle for power in India between two superpowers, French and British. And in these Carnatic Wars, British won, and British were able to consolidate their foothold in India. Now British were the powerful in India. They have defeated to French. The Carnatic Wars were a series of 3 wars fought between 1746 and 1763 by the English East India Company and the French East India Company. See children, Anglo-French Wars. This war is also called Anglo-French Wars of the 18th century, also called the Carnatic War, because this war was mainly between British and French. This war was fought mainly between two European countries, France and Britain, and it is also called Anglo-French Wars. English versus French on the Indian soil for supremacy. Both the country wanted to gain control over India. So that these wars were fought between these two countries. Both the British and the French wanted to gain greater control over trade in India. Children, both the European countries, French and British, both these countries wanted to gain control over our country. Indian rulers also joined these wars to further their own cause and defeat their rivals. Finally, the English East India Company gained advantage over trade in India. See children, in this war, Indian rulers also took part. First Carnatic War was fought between 1744 to 1748, and Second Carnatic War was fought between 1749 to 54. After the First Carnatic War, Dupleix fully understood the weakness of the Indian kings. He understood the weaknesses of Indian rulers. Third Carnatic War was fought between 1757 to 1763. The 7 Years' War broke out in Europe in 1756 AD. In this war, England and France joined opposite camps. They were opposite camps. And this was the end of Carnatic War. What was the end of Carnatic War? The Third Carnatic War ended officially in 1763. Children, Carnatic War was ended in 1763. And what was the result? With the conclusion of the Peace of Paris, Pondicherry, now Puducherry, and other French possessions in India were restored to France. But these could be held only as mere trading centers without any fortifications and army.